Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Today, we are going to see Unit 1 poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okara. First, we shall see about author Gabriel Okara. Gabriel Okara was born on April 21, 1921 at Bumadi in Nigeria. He was a Nigerian poet and novelist. His verse had been translated into several languages. Okara infused African thought, folklore, and imagery into his writings. His first novel, The Voice, is an outstanding linguistic experiment. His famous works are The Fisherman's Invocation, The Call of the River Nun, Adventure to Juzu Island, Little Snake and Little Frog. Now we shall see the awards and rewards which was received by Gabriel Okara for his works. Best all-around entry in poetry at the Nigerian Festival of Arts for The Call of the River Nun. Commonwealth Poetry Prize for The Fisherman Invocation. NLNG Prize for The Dreamer and His Vision, and also Kick received a Pan African Writers Association Honorary Membership Award. Okara died on 25th March 2019 at the age of 97. Before going to the poem, let me ask one question to you. Who is your role model? Everyone will have role model based on your interest. A role model is someone you admire and try to imitate. Here, parents are the best role models for their children. Children are great imitators, so they should give them a grade to imitate because what have they seen in their family only influence them a lot, and later it will decide their character also. Parents are the ultimate role models for children. Even word, movement, and action has an effect. No other person or outside force has a greater influence on a child than their parent. In this poem, also, we are going to see the influence of modern society changed their character. Now, we shall see the introduction of the poem. Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okara. The poem is a lively conversation between a father and his son, where the son does things with emotion and the father wants to forget his fake personality and relearn and create a real personalities from his son. And is asking his son to show him how to express his true love and show him a real personality to others. Here, the poem presents the poet as a victim of social changes which has made him lose his real identity. The setting of the poem. The tone of the poem is nostalgic. The personality is remembering how things used to be when he was young and innocent like his son. The poem highlights the guilt and a resentment an African man feels for himself to accept the culture of the Westerners. Once upon a time leads the readers to believe it to be like a story, and the poet presents it in a narrative way. Theme of the poem. The poet emphasizes on two main themes of innocence and experience, and how people change over the years and become false and untrustworthy. And also, he insists the influence of the white Western world on African nations. Now, we shall see the structure and form of the poem. Once Upon a Time is written in the form of a dramatic monologue. So, here one person addressing to another person, which is obviously a classic dramatic monologue style. He used free verse to make the poem like a real speech.